Welcome back for another episode of Knitting, Science, and Craft. Today we're going to do something a little different. Today we're going to learn how to start crocheting. So when you purchase a ball of yarn, if you look on the back, it will tell you the size crochet hook. This one says 5.5 millimeter. This is the 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. So first we will have to complete a slip knot. Take your two fingers, wrap them around, and pull the yarn through. And this is how you complete a slip knot. Take the slip knot and insert your crochet hook and tighten it to the crochet hook. Now you will wrap the yarn around your little finger and draw the yarn under your ring finger and middle finger. And finally, lay the yarn over your forefinger and under your thumb. We will complete a series of yarn overs. Put it around and pull the yarn through, and that will create a chain stitch. We're going to do a few more. So we're going to wrap the yarn around and pull it through. We're going to do a few more. If you have completed yours correctly, then yours should look like this: a series of chain stitches. We have 9 chain stitches. Today we have completed our foundation chain stitches. Thanks for watching Knitting, Science, and Craft.